There are many ways to achieve this. One of the easiest ways is by downloading an app onto your Android phone, which I believe makes it simple and easy to execute.
1. On your Android phone, go to your App Store and in the search field type in File Manager. 2. Scroll down the list until such time as you see this app. 3. Download and install this app on your Android phone. 4. Open this app and it will display this screen. 5. Click on the SD card option, and as is the case in any storage device, you can now set up a series of files or folders by selecting from the drop-down menu revealed when you click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of the page.
One. Open your Gallery app on your Android phone. 2. Locate the first picture or video you wish to transfer. 3. Press and hold the first picture or video until it is either highlighted or displays a tick in the corner of the picture or video icon. 4. You can now proceed and either highlight or click on all the pictures you select for transfer to your SD card. 5. Now find and click on the Share icon. 6. Click on the File Manager icon and then proceed to the specific file in which you wish to save the picture or video. 7. Once you are inside the desired file, click Save.
If you wish to select a range of data files, such as from a specific trip to the game reserve, you have 2 options. A. Select your first picture/video or data file and then holding down the Shift key, press the last picture in the range, and it will select all the pictures between the first and the last file, which you can then transfer with a single cut, copy, and paste, even if the number of files runs into the hundreds. B. In the event that you wish to select only certain specific pictures in the range, then hold down the Control button while clicking on the specific files you select. Once you have completed selecting those specific files, you can again transfer such files with a single cut/copy and paste command. There are 2 basic ways in which you can transfer pictures, videos, or document files from an SD card to your laptop or desktop computer, namely, Method A, by connecting your device using the USB charge cable which came with your phone, and Method B, by removing your SD card from your cell phone and connecting to your computer using a card reader adapter. Be aware that there are several different types of USB cables, so check the documentation of your cell phone to determine which type of USB plug you need to enable the transfer of data. In most cases, the charging cable which came with your phone would be suitable for this purpose. You can also determine the suitability of your phone cable just by making a connection and observing whether or not it is compatible.
1. Leaving your charging cable connected to the cell phone, plug the USB end of the cable into a USB port on your computer.
2. It should immediately begin searching for pictures, videos, or data files to transfer onto your computer, opening a window containing all the data files on your cell phone. Please note that at this point, this cannot be considered as transferred and is reflected on your computer for convenience to enable you to efficiently select those files you wish to transfer, working on a single screen. 3. I would recommend that you open a file location on your computer where you wish to paste the selected files.
Here are some additional reasons why I would recommend using method A or B described above, namely. A. Probably the biggest single benefit would be the fact that you are working on a single screen. B. Your icons are larger and therefore easier to identify and select. C. You are able to specify the size of your pictures/videos on your laptop. How? At the top of your screen under the View option, you can elect a whole list of choices ranging from a range of sizes and other options including details, when perhaps looking for a specific date or time period the data files were created.
Now split your screen into two parts, with the view on your cell phone on the left and the destination file on the right. 5. The screen can be split into two by proceeding as follows. A. Select/highlight the cell phone picture and then holding down the Windows key on your computer, click on the left arrow. 6. You can now select Copy or Cut, followed by Paste in the destination file, working entirely on your computer screen. 7. In order to cut, that is permanently remove from your SD card, your source picture, do the following. A. Either right-click the picture or file and select Cut, or B. Press Ctrl and X simultaneously. 8. Then moving to the destination file, either right-click the destination file and select Paste, or B. Press Ctrl and V simultaneously within the destination file.
1. Remove your SD card from your cell phone. 2. Insert the card into the correct slot of your SD card reader. 3. Plug the USB plug of your SD card reader into a USB port of your computer. 4. This should begin loading all the data files on your SD card reader. 5. When using this method for the first time, it may prompt you to make choices. Follow the on-screen instructions. 6. Now proceed in exactly the same manner as described in method A above.
These options would not be complete without mentioning the option of transferring data files using Bluetooth. If in your case you can successfully link your cell phone to your laptop or computer by Bluetooth, then this is most certainly an option to consider. However, if you find that they refuse to link to one another, be advised that to resolve this problem can be tedious, and sometimes the procedure advocated on the internet can lead to disruption of the operation of your cell phone, including the loss of all the names on your WhatsApp app, where the names are replaced by the numbers. I would only consider using Bluetooth when wanting to transfer a limited number of files.